Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and this Asam Magic Finish Mousse is a 4-in-1 foundation. It's primer, foundation, concealer, and a powder. And I find that it blends so nicely on my skin. And it's nice and buildable for those spots where I need extra coverage. And the coverage is excellent for my redness and for my dark spots. And the finish is just so smooth. It glides over my skin and gives such a nice matte finish to it. It feels very lightweight, not super heavy. I don't feel like I'm wearing a ton of makeup, and it's really easy to apply. I use my fingertips, but I could apply it with a sponge or a brush. I have been thrilled with the look that I get with this Asam Magic Finish Mousse. It is just so light and airy feeling, and I love the coverage I get from it. And that's my point of view.